Happy Friday. It is March the 8th, 2019. Today is nature, time, and patience are three great physicians, and that is H.G. Bohn. Nature is always teaching us the value in waiting, how beautiful things can be. Everything's blooming, and just getting out and taking a walk every day in nature and just being grateful for all the beauty around you. It changes everything and changes your health and gives you the right fuel. So get out and do that for yourself every single day, and you won't really need a physician.